in this video tutorial, I will show you how to use a coupon code on Pictory and how to get a nice discount. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to go to the subscription page where all of the plans. So right here you will see different plans, monthly or yearly billing options. This coupon code works on yearly and also on monthly options too. So you can choose which plan you want. For example, you want this professional plan, just click buy now right here. Then you need to click apply a coupon right here and you need to enter the coupon code. So this is my coupon code. I will also leave the coupon code in the description. You can just copy it and paste it right here. Then you need to click apply. And you will see that coupon will be applied, guys, and you will get 20% discount, forever discount, guys. This is not a single discount, you will get forever discount. And as you can see, instead of $348, you will pay $278 and you will get nice $70 discount. So just click complete purchase, finalize the transaction, and that's all. You can also use this coupon code on the monthly options. So if you want to pay only for a month, just go to the monthly options right here, choose the plan, for example professional again, and right here click apply coupon, just paste the coupon code, click apply, and you will get 20% discount for a monthly plan. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.